Hey gamers, today I'll show you how to unlock the special Pac-Man character in Crossy Road. This one bit different from the usual prize machine, so let's jump right into it. First of all, to get Pac-Man, you need to first download the special Pac-Man update of Crossy Road. It adds the Pac-Man maze mode. Once you have it, switch to the Pac-Man game mode from the main menu. After you have downloaded the Pac-Man mode, switch to the main menu, then switch to the Pac-Man game mode from the main menu. Here, instead of just crossing roads, you will actually play in a Pac-Man style maze with ghosts chasing you. All you have to do is score a few points in this mode and Pac-Man himself will unlock as a playable character. Once you have unlocked him, you can use Pac-Man in the regular Crossy Road mode too, and it's add a cool arcade vibe. And that's it, just play the Pac-Man maze mode, once score a few points and Pac-Man is yours. Pretty easy, right? If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more gaming tips, and I'll see you in the next one.